This is both recognizing climate as the catastrophe it is, but also recognizing it's the biggest opportunity we have to grow the economy. The most important thing I think for people to keep in mind is we understand that our economy is suffering, that individuals are suffering. So the idea of this is to make sure that we start rebuilding right away towards that better future. And we do it by building jobs of tomorrow and today, not what we have relied on in the past. We're looking at new jobs and capping those old oil and gas wells or those old coal mines that have been abandoned and are spewing methane at levels that no one ever anticipated. If they can help us use their already existing basically expertise, we can start driving the kind of changes and shifts we want without making sure that somebody's left out. We've created a domestic climate office that's in the White House, and that's going to bring together a task force that's made up of the highest level individual across every single agency in the United States. And we are going to have them go back and look at the opportunities they have, not just to do the one thing they were hired to do, but to do it with this clean energy, with this environmental justice, with this growing jobs as a window to look at what they've been doing for a long time and reimagine it.
From day one, I think our focus as a team is how we deliver results on the ground, make a real difference in the lives of people right away. We're bringing in people who are excited about the opportunity to partner with state and local government and partner with every sector of our economy, every corner of our country. It's so profound when you look at communities that had been redlined before that now are literally hotter because they are not as green, because there's more pavement, because we have been purposefully neglectful as a society for decades in terms of the public health and well-being of the folks who live there. Joe Biden has built a career in bringing opportunity to places like that. He grew up in Claymont, Delaware, in the shadow of a steel plant that was spewing pollution into the air. He understands the plight of fence-line communities. And it's not just about the plight, it's about the promise.
Lord knows, no sacrifice. No, we've sacrificed enough. This is about really being thoughtful about opportunities. The goal here is not to leave any community behind, but also to not leave a single worker behind.